Today, for the first time, we steamed the boiler in locomotive 3001 after fitting the boiler to the frame. And that was an opportunity to test most of the auxiliary gear on the boiler. We were also able to blow out all the steam passengers to allow the fitting of the pistons and the valves following the refitting of the super elements and the main steam pipes. The next phase of the locomotive will be the reassembly of the motion, brake rigging, cab and a few other ancillary items that will see the locomotive largely complete. The next major item is the reconstruction of the tender tank and tender underframe. There's quite a bit of repair work to do on the underframe, and we're going to fit a new tender tank for the locomotive and overhaul the bogies.